Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with you with the Your Paper Insider box number 8. Now, this is a subscription service which is actually a mystery box. It's like receiving a gift wrapped present from a dear friend that's delivered directly at your door. So, if you haven't yet subscribed to the Your Paper Insider, I would suggest wait for your box to arrive before watching this video because I can tell you this box contains some really fun colors and textures and a lot of patterns. This box will contain different kinds of hand-picked selections. You'll have different colored cardstocks, unique specialty papers. You could use them as your card bases, for die cutting, for stamping, and so much more. Well, for box number 8, we have a little surprise here. We have a sheet of 15 unique tag designs. These are EVO tags. EVO is a synthetic paper, which is an excellent choice for your mixed media projects. They work well with alcohol inks, and this is also water resistant, chemical resistant, and tear resistant. This would be perfect for creating tags for your Christmas projects, your holiday theme projects, even for thank you notes for your gift wraps. These EVO papers are also available in the size 8.5 by 11 inches, that is the size of a regular cardstock. You could purchase them on yourpaperinsider.com. Let us now take a closer look at each of these papers. I will be discussing in detail the texture, the color, and lots more about these papers. The box number 8 features some amazing papers with specialty finishes from Gaumont paper. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Gaumont paper is located in Germany and is one of the oldest, finest, and most eco friendly paper mills. By combining artisan, old world papermaking techniques, modern technology, and vigilant quality testing, they produce over 100,000 paper variations, each consistently retaining Gaumont's reputation for world class excellence. Now, all the papers here measure 8.5 by 11 inches, except for this one, which measures 8.5 by 5.5 inches. Now, this is called mushroom velveteen felt paper. It's a very soft, velvety paper, almost like felt. I think I will be using this to create some of those travel projects where I could create suitcases out of these. Next, we have the Gaumont Brasilia wood grain paper. I love the texture on this paper. I will read out what the description of this paper says. It says that the Gaumont Urban is a fresh take on the raw materials that make up the urban centers that we live in. This paper is made to mimic the everyday architectural details that surround us, such as the wood and cement. And absolutely perfect. It's not just the design but also has that wood grain texture to the paper. Next, we have this 80-pound grey cardstock. This would be perfect for your card fronts. You could emboss over it, die cut. There are so many more things that you could do with this cardstock. This paper has a little rough texture, which makes it very unique than the usual soft and smooth cardstocks. Well, next we have the silver holographic lava cardstock. This is a 100-pound cardstock, absolutely stunning. I like to use this on my focal points as a backdrop for my focal point, and maybe even die cut sentiments turn out amazing using this cardstock. Let's move on to some blues and teals. Here we have the Teal Lagoon cardstock, again an 80-pound cardstock, solid color cardstock, which is absolutely stunning, and these would be perfect for your card fronts. I have a project that I made using this cardstock, which I will be showcasing in my next video. Next, we have the Aquamarine glitter cardstock. Now, this glitter cardstock, I can assure you that the glitter does not shed, which is why I love these glitter cardstocks by Your Paper Insider. I have a couple of these papers now, and the glitter on this is amazing. Next, we have is the Coastal Blue Shimmer cardstock. This is a very light blue color cardstock and it does reflect a lot of light. Now I have used somewhat similar but in pink in my previous project. I will leave a link to that video in the description box down below. Next we have is the sea blue lightweight linen cardstock. Now this is a very lightweight cardstock, almost like tissue, and it has this texture which is there on both sides of the cardstock, so absolutely amazing. This would be perfect for any kind of focal points on your card bases and also die cut sentiments. Next is this pale blue foil cardstock. Well, on camera it looks silver, but in real life it has a very light hint of blue, which is perfectly matching the coastal, the aqua theme that we saw. This foil cardstock weighs 65 pounds and would be perfect for your card bases. Next is this mint green rayon, which is absolutely like a very beautiful handmade paper with those feathery details on them. I love how shiny these feathery details are when the light catches it. And the paper is not very heavy and cannot be used as a card base, but would be perfect for your card fronts. Again, we have a metallic shimmer cardstock. This is the aloe metallic shimmer cardstocks, which is a lightweight cardstock. Would not be perfect for your card bases, but I would use this for my sentiments. Pair it with a matte black shadow, and that would be perfect. Next, we have the Perlized Pewter Blossom Flowers, which, if you tilt under the light, you will see has some shiny blossom flower images. These would be absolutely gorgeous as your card fronts. Now, this color is slightly darker than your regular gray cardstock. Well, we are definitely not done with holographic cardstocks. Here we have a 100-pound silver holographic confetti cardstock. Look at those shiny little confetti like pieces on the cardstock and the rainbow light that this catches. This is not a glittery cardstock, so you don't have much texture to it. It's just the shine and the sparkle, which is absolutely stunning. Next, we have this 100-pound ultra wide smooth cardstock. Well, this by far is the smoothest white cardstock that I have seen so far. So, I am really looking forward to how this cardstock would be when it comes to stamping and ink blending. I love ink blending on my card fronts, and this would definitely be a good match for that. Next, we have the Gold Flex Smooth Paper. Now, this has tiny little specks of gold on it. It's almost like foiled gold, but scattered all over the sheet. This would be perfect as a confetti background for your birthday cards. Next is this very creamy rose cardstock. It has a tiny little hint of cream or rosy color to it. Not absolutely white, not pink, but a creamy rose color. Let's move on to some of the specialty cardstocks. Here we have the Gammon Gold Helium cardstock, which weighs 113 pounds. The sheet has a unique iridescence in every facet that changes the look as light reflects from different angles. It does have slight texture, which makes it all the more stunning. Next is the 111-pound Gammon Alazan Lama Wild cardstock. It has a leather like appearance, almost gives the impression of an animal skin, and combined with both the color and texture to stimulate your senses. It's absolutely stunning. Next, we have a solid color cardstock with a slightest peach tint on it. Absolutely matches all of these Gammon products. Next, we have this Tanabata, a Japanese paper, which, Tanabata refers to an annual festival, which is also called the Star Festival, where people write wishes on small pieces of paper and hang them in bamboo trees. The smooth paper is decorated with snippets of color paper embedded in the surface. It is used for shoji screen making, origami folding, and envelope making. Next, we have a set of purple cardstocks. First we have is a solid color purple lilac cardstock. Then a lavender glitter cardstock and pale purple foil cardstock. Well, that was all the amazing products included in box number 8 of Your Paper Insider. We have a bunch of new specialty cardstocks, a lot of teal, aqua, and blue. There are shimmer papers, foil papers, lavenders, purples, holographic cardstock. Well, in one box, you have everything you need for your card making journey, your scrapbooking journey, and paper crafting, and lots more. This is also a perfect gift idea for any of your crafty friends out there. If you need ideas on how to use all of these amazing papers, you can check out Your Paper Insider on their Instagram profile. You will find daily dose of inspiration and so many card ideas there. Also, check out your account for exclusive contents just for subscribers at yourpaperinsider.com/inside scoop. Don't forget to tag Your Paper Insider and use the hashtag Your Paper Insider on Instagram to share your wonderful projects. Thank you again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and will join me again soon for my next video where I will be using these papers to create a beautiful card projects. Thank you again. Until next time, stay safe.